So guys, you know what that means. Welcome to this week's update with us RGJ trains at David Junction. So some of you may know we are slightly changing how we do videos. Don't worry, we're still here, we're not going anywhere. But we thought, we've looked at the figures, retention and things, so we've decided that we're going to do possibly 3 videos a week, but shorter videos, so hopefully that will keep people interested.
Less talking, more work.
Yeah, because I usually gas bag. So that also means for gifts that we receive, we're probably going to look at like once a week doing like a gift video. So if you've received something for us and think, oh, they haven't talked about it, it will be featured. Unless you don't want us to, obviously.
Excuse me, if you've received something from us, you mean if we received something from you?
Yeah, that too. So that way. But obviously there. So for this week, what are we doing this week, bro?
Well, you've got 3 Metcalf kits to finish off.
Yes.
Is it 3?
Well, you say
station, train station, petrol station, and municipal building.
Yeah. But have we got anything other than Metcalf? Because I know.
Well,
you can also see the house on the hill. There is more to be done to it, but to be fair, it's looking really. Now it's got the grass on it. We both said.
Right, it still needs topping up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But we do need to order the smaller applicator as well. There is a smaller SCENICS applicator that we do need for the finer areas.
So yeah, guys, there's a few things going on this week. But yeah, this video might be a bit longer because it's the explaining, isn't it? So we're going to crack on now, guys, and see you in a bit. Bye for now.
Right, so as Grace has said to me often enough, you should have filmed that bit.
And you don't.
And Grace has started painting the stuff that Jason has so kindly sent us. There, get my teeth in. Kindly sent us. I'll actually zoom in a bit. Oh, that does work actually.
Oh, so you don't get the angle right than I do.
But we've just had a lovely video chat with Jason just to say thank you very much to him. That is a 3D printed. What, Grace? What is it? A 3D printed
Milk jug.
milk jug.
Like the old ones you get on the farms.
Right. It's not, looks. It doesn't even resemble an old milk jug.
Shush.
No, ladies and gents, it is a coal scuttle. So what Grace has been doing is starting to paint these coal scuttles, but she is going to get on painting. What are you going to paint instead?
I'm going to look at some of the gravestones Jace has given us.
Yeah, so we're going to start painting some of the gravestones that Jason has ever so kindly sent us. If Grace can just show one quickly.
One, you mean?
I'll show a few.
I've already put them.
No, let me zoom out a bit. Let me zoom out. Can you move your... Can I move that? Yeah. So these are all like gravestones and everything. So Grace is going to paint these up. They're absolutely gorgeous. As usual with RGJ, we won't bore you. We shall hyperlapse it. Catch you in a bit. Right guys, I'm going to do a second attempt at doing these rock moulds that, was it Roger that gave them to us?
Yes.
That Roger gave to us. But I managed to get the wrong plaster. So I've gotten the right plaster this time as far as I'm aware. Got the proper brandy stuff, did check with Roger. So what we've done is just done like a soapy water mix, which is what we're told to do on the moulds. The ratio on it is 1 kilo of powder to 700 ml of water, and it's Mould Master Plaster of Paris. So I've done a measurement for 200 grams of plaster, and I think it's 140 ml of water I think I've got. Yeah, so here goes nothing. As usual, we shall hyperlapse it. Okay, so this is basically take two for these moulded rocks. I've just cracked them out the moulds. And I'm quite pleased with them. You know, once Grace gets her hands on them, painting them, what have you. It's certainly a lot more workable than the previous one. Although I still think I need to add more water so I get a little bit more time. It's a little bit more fluidy so I can level it off. But I don't think they look too bad. And we're going to need a lot of rocks because obviously we're going to have quite a big river. And we're going to put some up in the mountains, Grace's mountains. Well, Grace's hills actually, not up her Slate Mountain. So yeah, let us know what you think in the comments. I don't think it looks too bad, not for a second attempt. Again, thank you very much to Roger for his help and guidance. And apologies for not listening to you properly the first time. So we'll end this little update now, and thank you very much for watching.